and welcome to my channel Master of Library. Today I am going to tell you about Parsi New Year. So you don't skip this video and watch till end, okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. Parsi New Year is a regional holiday celebrated on August 17th in India. It is also known as Jamshedi Navroz after the legendary King of Persia, Jamshed, who started the Parsi Calendar and Navroz meaning New Day. Parsis follow the religion of Zoroastrianism, one of the oldest known monotheistic religions. It was founded by the prophet Zarathustra in ancient Iran approximately 3500 years ago. It was one of the ancient world's most important religions for over 1000 years and was the official religion of Persia from 650 BCE until the rise of Islam in the 7th century. When the Islamic armies invaded Persia, many Zoroastrians migrated to places such as Gujarat in India and Pakistan. Nowadays, there are an estimated 2.6 million Zoroastrians worldwide, with the Parsis in India being the largest single group. In Iran and other parts of the Middle East, Zoroastrians celebrated the Persian New Year using the firstly calendar, which fixed the first day of the year on the spring equinox, usually March 21st. To this day, this remains a popular festival known as Navroz, celebrated by many peoples and cultures in the region, despite not being Zoroastrians. The Parsis, however, observe the New Year using Shahanshahi calendar, which does not account for leap years, meaning this holiday have now moved by 200 days from its original day of the vernal equinox. So, the Parsi New Year is celebrated in much the same way as Navroz, with a focus on celebrating the renewal that a new year brings, such as house cleaning, wearing new clothes, giving gifts and making charitable donations. So guys, I wishing you all a happy Parsi New Year. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, support and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in an interesting video like this. Thank you.